Thank you for purchasing an Interscan GF1900 gas fumigant monitor. This video will explain the calibration procedure. The sulfuryl fluoride monitor's sensor must be stable for readings to be correct. Prolonged non-use causes the sensor to be unstable. The sensor must be exposed to an internal bias voltage periodically. If the analyzer has not been used in a duration of 2 weeks or longer, you must power on the monitor and allow it to stabilize. A stable reading may take up to 3 minutes to achieve. To prolong the life of the furnace during stabilization period, turn the furnace off. This is done by putting the switch in the up position. In some cases, the monitor will indicate an upscale reading when powered on and drift downward while the monitor warms up. Upscale readings can exceed the full scale and does not necessarily mean there is a malfunction. The instrument is calibrated by introducing a known concentration of sulfuryl fluoride gas at 5 ppm and adjusting the span control to correspond to the known concentration of the gas. New or replacement sensors may require approximately 24 hours to stabilize prior to zeroing. After the reading has stabilized, turn the furnace on by flipping the switch down. With the unit turned on and sufficiently warmed up, which should take approximately 7 minutes, and once the ready light is illuminated, zero the analyzer with the zero control. If zeroing in an environment which may have other cross interferences, a zero filter should be used. Contact Interscan for additional information. When using the zero filter, connect the zero filter to the inlet of the analyzer. Continue drifting after the ready light comes on will create an erroneous zeroing of the analyzer. Additional runtime may be required if this condition continues. Remember, a true zero cannot be achieved. You may only perform clearance or calibration once the monitor is stable. Now that the ready light is lit, we are ready for gas calibration. Fill a Tedlar sample bag with sulfuryl fluoride calibration gas. Use extreme caution when filling the bag so that it will not burst. Connect the bag to the inlet of the monitor. Allow the gas to flow for at least 3 minutes. Never attempt to introduce a gas standard directly from a pressurized source. A sample bag must always be used. Also, never introduce concentrations higher than 50 parts per million. The cal control is used to set the meter to a value corresponding to the span gas concentration. Disconnect the sample bag. Allow the monitor reading to stabilize for 3 minutes. Then repeat the procedure 2 additional times. Using a 5-liter bag is recommended, as it will not be necessary to refill the bag each time. In this case, do not re-zero the instrument. It is not necessary to wait for the meter to reach zero before connecting the sample gas for the second and third time. The readings should be within plus or minus 2 divisions of the average average of your 3 readings. Readings can sometimes jump when the sample bag is disconnected and then drop down. This is a normal condition which occurs due to changes in pressure. The recovery from a reading is about 120 seconds to 20% of the reading, depending on the age of the sensor. Full recovery to 0 may occur within 120 seconds, depending on the age of the sensor. Your calibration is now complete.